Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. So today I wanted to get up close and personal with an eyeshadow tutorial. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, so I like to start off with my brows already done, but it's up to you, of course. And you can use any eyeshadow primer or you can use a concealer. So now that that base is done, I need to set it with a shadow. So this is the 3503 palette by Morphe, and I'm gonna use that shade as a transition shade. So basically, anything that I put on top of this shadow afterwards is gonna blend seamlessly. So it kind of makes it easier. So I'm using a combination of tapping and spreading or blending out. Next, I'm gonna take this darker shade and I'm gonna put that directly in my crease, and I'm gonna blend that up towards my brow bone, and then I'm also gonna blend it down a little bit onto my lid into the transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go back with the transition shade and just put that all over my lid. And for this, I'm using a tapping motion so that way I get the most color payoff. And then I'm gonna blend it into my crease back into that shade. And then of course, blend the crease one more time. And then I'm gonna take these two different shimmer shades so that way I can highlight my inner corners. You can also do the same thing under your brows. And then I'm gonna go back in with that crease shade and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line and then blend it out towards my outer corners. Next, you can use mascara, any mascara you like. We're gonna prep our lashes before we put our falsies on, and I love putting mascara on my lower lashes. It looks so freaking cute. All done. So now I'm gonna take these Ienvyxlilmama and then go back again and make my lower lash shade a little bit brighter. And then I'm gonna blend my falsies with my natural lashes with more mascara and then finish off with a double highlighting of it. And we're all done. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next video.